Welcome to the next topic, respiration in plants. Under this topic, we will read about how plants get oxygen by diffusion, then how respiration occurs in case of roots, respiration in case of stems, and in leaves. First, let us see how plants get oxygen by diffusion process. Plants have a branching shape, so they have quite a large surface area in comparison to their volume. Therefore, diffusion alone can supply all the cells of the plants with as much oxygen as they need, which is not seen in case of animals. Diffusion occurs in the root, stem and leaves of plants. First of all, let us see how respiration occurs in roots. The most important point is air is present in between the particles of soil. Roots of a plant take the oxygen required for respiration from this air present in between the soil. By which process? By the process of diffusion. The extensions of the epidermis of the root are called the root hairs. In the previous class 9, we have read about epidermal cells of root. So root hairs are the extension of epidermal cells. These root hairs are in contact with the air in the soil. Let us see in the diagram. As you can see, here it is showing the taproot system. Not only in taproot, in fibrous root as well. Each root has root hairs in the particular root hair zone. So roots absorb oxygen from air present in between the soil particles through root hair. You can see here there are air spaces between the soil particles. Therefore, respiration in roots occur by the diffusion of respiratory gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide, through the root hairs. Now, in order to understand the respiration in stems of plants, we should remember that the soft stems of small herbaceous plants have stomata in them, whereas hard and woody stems of large plants and trees also, they have another structure called lenticels in them. So what is lenticel? A lenticel is a small area of bark in a woody stem where the cells are loosely packed. This structure allows the gaseous exchange to take place between air and the living cells of the stem. Okay, so stems in case of herbaceous plants or in case of woody stem, both the structures stomata and lenticels help in exchange of respiratory gases. The oxygen from air diffuses into the stem through either stomata or lenticel. Next, respiration in leaves. Now, as we all know, the stomata is the basic structure which help in exchange of gases, because leaves of a plant have tiny porous structure called stomata. So we should note that respiration in leaves occurs during the daytime as well as at night. Okay, because photosynthesis occurs only during daytime, but respiration which involve exchange of gases through stoma or lenticule or from the root hair, that occurs during both day and night. Let us move to respiration in animals. So different animals have different modes of respiration. Like in case of simple amoeba, respiration takes place through cell membrane. Most of the animals, however, have specific organs. In this part, we will learn about what are the specific organs in most of the animals. Animals like earthworm use their skin to absorb oxygen. And aquatic animals, like fishes, prawns, mussels, have gills for the respiration. Whereas grasshopper, cockroach, housefly, mosquito and other insects, they use the tiny holes present on their body called spiracles. In these figures you can see the tiny holes called spiracles on the body of grasshopper. And this third picture showing the bigger air tube, which is called trachea, in the body of a grasshopper inside the body, because the spiracles, in case of grasshopper breathes, respire through tiny holes called spiracles, air tubes called trachea and the branches called tracheoles. So spiracles are present on the surface of the body, which are attached with the tube-like network inside the body called trachea and tracheoles. Finally, the respiratory organs of land animals like human, bird, lizard, dog and etc., they use the lungs. Frogs, however, breathe both by lungs and skin. And as you know, frogs in larval stage, that's in tadpole stage, they use the gills. Okay.